National Park. All right. And we're at another national park. We can check it off the list. Oh, here comes the tour buses. Yeah, everyone else has been here all day and they're leaving. Of course, we're going to come at the end of the day. Wow, look at the colorations in that. Wow, look where they built that. I'm sure it's a casino hotel. Holy cow.
In 2 miles, exit 2 is on the right.
So where people stay when they want to stay the night at Hoover Dam?
Maybe.
That wasn't here when I was here last. I hope we get to go across the new bridge, or at least like step on it a little bit. What you doing?
Look at the sign.
Exit 2 is on the right, and then left turn.
Okay.
Oh, is this the casino or the dam?
I was heading to the dam.
I know, but I just see the poles here that are all casino.
Oh, that's like naming
But I know you pushed the button. It said Hoover Dam, not Hoover Dam Casino. Dam Casino. Yeah, this was not correct.
it. Trick me.
Whee! It's always a good time trying to get somewhere. Extremely stressful.
The Willies. Switch areas.
Hoover Dam, it says. I'm so stressed out right now. It's a tourist attraction. We should be able to find it.
Next left, and then right turn at the end of the road.
Traffic circle. So you're good at those. Just know which one you need to. Music over there, right?
Yes.
Good job. Oh, there's a bunch of cops over there. Huh, weird.
Finding more dead bodies.
Some action over there. Okay, now you have to go under the highway.
Hoover Dam Bridge walkway.
Oh, that's one of the things I wanted to try. What happens at security checkpoint?
Right turn at the end of the road.
Alright. Our dog's not gonna like security.
Proceed about 3 miles to your destination.
Oh, the visitor center's open until 9 p.m. it said. We're climbing up. There's the road we just left down there. And don't forget, we're still towing our little trailer. What do these signs say? No marijuana. No drones. Canine unit ahead. What? Dude. I'm scared. I'm nervous because we have a drone, and we have CBD, and we have vapes. And I really don't want to get arrested today, especially not for a federal offense. So let's see what happens here. Oh my God. I realize I also have my Delta 8 sleep gummies that have cannabis in them. I don't know if I want to do this. Why does everything have to be so scary? Like this? Can we please talk about this situation?
I don't feel anything scary.
Did you hear the signs I read, babe?
I did hear the signs.
Okay, babe, let me talk. They're warning you again that you
Okay.
can't have weed here, and a dog that can smell weed, I think.
We're gonna
Is that
turn
what it
around and
means?
leave.
Is that what it means? I'm not asking you to blow it off and act like it's not a reality. I'm asking you what we should do.
We're gonna assess the situation when we get there, and if I have to talk to somebody, I'm gonna tell them we're going to turn around. Lakeview Overlook.
This is crazy. Subject to inspection where?
Yes or no?
At this point, I'm totally freaking out. I don't know if CBD qualifies. I don't want to take any chances. You're scaring me so badly, so badly.
Where to stop? Roll down all windows at checkpoint.
All windows? What about the dog? We kindly asked to turn around, and they stopped traffic in order for us to do so. And by they, I'm talking about the two armed guards, federal guards, and their drug-sniffing dog, who could probably smell CBD, I'm sure. Man, that was nerve-wracking. We're going to go over to the Overlook. We're back in Pacific time zone again. I can't even talk.
Lakeview.
And then right turn.
We're going to check out the Lakeview Overlook.
In a
Real
quarter
quick.
of a mile, right.
Apparently you can hike and climb on the rocks and stuff in this part too. I've never been over here. We wanted to check it out.
Next right.
Those people on that ATV are blasting that music so loud. They're way over there. That's insane. What are those guys doing down there? There must be a tunnel under us, right? Huh. Okay. We're probably not going to make it to the dam. It's getting too late. So let's at least look at this, and what they got going on here.
Wow, that's pretty low.
It's very low. Oh, I'm going to tie my sweatshirt around my waist. Oh, the marina. That's a trailer park or something over there, it looks like. Wow, it is so low. Is this where the tunnel is? I was trying to see if I could see where the tunnel was on the other side. Stop, pause, and educate. We're here. And the dam's over there, so you won't be able to see it. The dam's around the corner that way. See? We're here, and it's in that corner. Boulder Island. So I guess the tips of those will be visible.
Oh yeah.
In my sunshine. Cold. We're gonna have to come back when it's not so late in the day. We just spent so much time at the ghost town today.
Tunnels and stuff people walking through.
Oh yeah. When I get down there, I'll show that. It's an old railroad tunnel, it says. I'll show you guys in a second. Everyone looking at our stuff. What's wrong with everyone? So, you guys can't see because of the light. Let me see if I... Oh, can't. It's so weird. The tunnel is just right. No, there's no way. All the people whose cars are here are the ones that are out on the boat.
Or living on boats, yeah.
Oh, or living on them, that's true. I'm gonna see if I go down further if I could, because that's in the glare. Can't be seen. Is someone gonna fight or something? What's everyone tripping on? Okay, well, I'm glad everyone's keeping their cool. Ooh, look at that big crow.
Oh, that's big.
Very big. So here's the tunnel. Oh, there's those people we just saw, I think. Can you guys see the tunnel? Happy taking a break and having some water. And we're gonna eat some more potato salad here. Here you go, girl. Had some coleslaw, it's good. I'm gonna have some chips and salsa. And there's all the people coming out of the train tunnels on their hike. So cool. Where do they park? See them walking away. Oh, they had to park in the parking lot where we were? Cool. I wish it was early in the day. We'd go hiking. There's a viper. These people went off road. I don't see how they think they're gonna be able to go down that. I don't think it's possible. This is a trail I can't see from here. I'll keep an eye on it. I hope they stay safe. She found something to show him. Something in the rubble. Oh, she threw it down. It was no good. Okay, see. Now, before they were heading over to this edge. I was like, what? I guess if they keep walking that way, it eventually goes to that flatness over there. It's weird how the trains used to go like that. Huh. So they went down in the wash right there, so you can just see their head sticking up. So they shimmy down there. And then I'm assuming this ditch they think is going to hook up with that ditch.
Oh yeah, they got there.
What the heck?
Oh, big tour bus.
It's not coming here, is it?
He has to.
Well, where's he going to be? Probably thought he was going to be where we are.
Probably.
Well, we don't want to jump in now and be in the mix, right? Maybe he just does a drive-by. Oh, we can go behind everybody right there. He found a spot, no problem. They're loading the bus load of people so they can get their pictures. Look at all the tourists. You know what that means? Time for us to get the heck out of Dodge. I don't like crowds, but there's the view.
The route guidance will start now.
It was pretty rowdy there, actually.
Right.
So we have, only like 25 minutes. Well, that's good to know. So when we come back to her house, it's just 25 minutes away if we want to come straight to the dam.
Yeah, I seen it. It was 35 minutes away from her house. It was pretty close.
And we'll go to Hoover, Boulder City again too.
Yeah.
Because that was real fun. But we know that she's preparing a meal for us. Again. She makes bomb mac and cheese. Bobby doesn't like it.
Next right.
I had it for 5 meals straight last time I was here, and I was happy to do so. There's another one of those ramps. I visited Hoover Dam in 2003. Got this cool album. Make sure you don't miss the episode of the Ghost Town. That's a separate episode. Let's look at what we have here for Hoover Dam. Hoover Dam, Down Proud America. And this just talks about what was going on in our rental car and stuff. I'm going to kind of skip the personal parts, but just wanted to show some of the literature, some of the maps. A lot has changed there since we went. We did a couple of the tours, went all the way down into the room with the turbines and walked through those tunnels and went down that scary elevator. These are the tour tickets, and this was the parking garage, I guess. We went closer to Lake Mead. More Hoover Dam pictures and the memorial plaques that are there. More pictures of the dam. We were able to be in Nevada time and Arizona time. 1 foot over the wall there. More angles and pictures, and there's an overflow tunnel, some of the infrastructure to bring the power out from the dam. This is the original tour center. I think they might even have done 2 since this, because I know they have a new one now. And some more angles of the dam. I think this is the output side. I don't know if it's still called the Colorado River when it goes out the other side. Oh, so this is the new tour center. Okay. A multi-story. Some nice shots. Here we are walking through those tunnels I talked about. That was pretty scary, actually. The turbine room's here. They had some cool mosaics on the floor as well. Hydroelectric plant, of course. Wearing my overalls. I got my henna. It's so funny. And my bracelets and all my rings. Polished nails. It's a long time ago. And then this is, I don't know if they still have these statues here and some of the rigging systems they had, but that was a 2003, and then we're going to have to go back again so we can actually walk over the bridge and see the dam again. This is the kind of rock that they were blasting through and getting through to get their construction work done. So we'll do Hoover Dam another time. Wow, the sun's in a real bad spot. You okay?
Yeah.
Back this way we go. Straight into the sun.
If I can't keep my head held high enough, I'll just be love and watch the smiles come.
Thanks for
Bring
watching.
my spirits up.
Don't forget to stop and smell the flowers.
There's some shit I like to fix, but I still know that I'm blessed.